Alrighty, what is good, everybody? I am coming back at you on my beautiful Street Fighter, and welcome back to my channel. Today has been the first day that there's been no rain, so I'm taking the opportunity to jump out here and essentially go for a bit of a chill ride, because why not? I need the bike to have been turned over a little bit, run in a little bit more, because I don't want the battery going flat and all that kind of jazz. So yeah, I'm out on the bike. I'm going to pick up one of the learners from the group that I'm was part of. I left because they were doing my head in. So I'm grabbing him. We're going for a bit of a cruise. Now, if memory serves me right, he has a CBR 650F or something like that. Good piece of kit, most definitely a good piece of kit. I used to have the CBR 500, and it was an absolute foolproof learner bike. Had the power and everything that you wanted. And yeah, it was a very foolproof bike. And now I believe the 500s may not be made anymore, and the 650s and the 650, yeah. Oh, excuse me, has taken over that section of the market essentially. At least that's my understanding of it. I'm back, got the learner, running behind on time as usual, but no one else messaged me, so it's just the two of us. Just the two of us. Haha. But no, yeah, just gonna cruise down to Kings Park and up the coast, and yeah, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. Nothing too crazy. By the sounds of it, he bought the bike brand new, and he's still in his run-in miles, or running kilometers over here, because we don't work off miles. Who still uses miles? Only backwards countries still use miles per hour. Throwing shade. But no, he's got a couple more. I think he said 100 kilometers left, or roughly, to do his break-in, and then he can take it in for a service to unrestrict his bike, because right now he has a restriction on his revs. So I know how annoying that is, because I did the run-in kilometers on my bike, and yeah, you can't have a lot of fun. I mean, it's cool just riding it around, but you can't like give it the beans essentially when the running kilometers are still, well, to be done. Goodness me, they're doing a lot of construction around here. But no, yeah, he's saying that that's his. He was had a bit of a fumble with his old bike as well, and it was totaled. And he bought this he bought this one now. And I was just saying, it's a really good goddamn bike to learn on, because it's 650cc. Learner's approved, yes, but it's 650cc. So there is power. It can boogie if you wanted a boogie. So it's not half bad. And Homeboy needs to take his baffles out, because I just noticed his baffles are in. I don't know if you can pick up, but you see that little circle? Yeah, those are aftermarket pipes. You can pull them out. That way at least his bike will sound a little bit more meaty, rather than like a little 250. But yeah, I was just like, if I wasn't busy on the phone for most of the morning, I would have been out and about, because today is just pretty day to be on the bike. But yeah, today has been non-stop phone calls and trying to sort out, well, adult shit, essentially, problems. And the majority of the predicaments that I'm in usually are nothing of my doing, essentially. It's always some kind of computer error or some kind of human error. It just, yeah, does my head in a little bit. But yeah, the predicament I was in is with my uni being stupid and messing up with my enrollments, messing up my accreditation stuff. Ugh. Then I was on the phone for a good chunk of time with my internet service provider and phone provider, fixing up, yeah, the general shittery that has gone on over there. So it's been on the phone most of the day, which kind of sucks. And my house is so goddamn cold. That means, well, it's been a good day. I should have been out, but no. Alrighty. Quick little stretch break and we're back at it again, baby. I just realized that I'm riding at night with my tinted visor yet again. So, yay me for visibility. Ha 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 ha. I can't see shit. Oh, good jeebus. So far so good. Mr. Lerner is actually keeping up. Obviously he's doing it within the speed limits, and your boy isn't. I mean, I am. I am doing the speed limit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to apologize because I haven't done much talking in this video, which is uncharacteristic of me. But to be honest, I've literally, it's not that I haven't got anything to say or I haven't provided anything to say, it's just I haven't enjoyed a long ride in a hot minute and I didn't want to ruin my experience by yapping. Because yeah, it has been a hot minute since I've had a nice ride where I can just like switch off and just chill, essentially. And honestly, even if the learner wasn't with me, I'll probably be pretty quiet nonetheless, because it's just like, you know, nice to just quiet music and just ride. Just, you know, darn tootin' and riding together on the roads. Dang a dingly a dang dong a good. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah. No, but it's been a hot minute since I've yeah, had a decent ride where I could just switch off and just be like, my bike sounds beautiful, and we'll listen to her sing. It's time to drop the learner off and then go home, have me some dinner, get in my warm bed and chill out. But yeah, I really had to cut the ride short. I really did, because it's just like the cold is just playing so much havoc on my back that it's like it's just tightening up when it doesn't need to be tightening up, and then the vibrations on the road just compounding the shittiness on my back, and it just gets a bit much. But yeah, all in all, not a bad little ride that I've had. or I'm on or doing and thinking stuff and things. But yeah, I think all in all, it's good to be back on the bike. We're coming out of winter, so we should be getting less rain and better riding weather, so I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, that's something I can look forward to, and it's not being so cold, and night riding actually being cool, like nice to do. But yeah, all in all, it's a good ride. So alright, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for coming back to my videos. Thank you for showing me that love and continuing to show me that love. And all I ask is you smack that like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. That turned red real fast. Yeah, if you find yourself being recommended my videos and you're not subscribed and you enjoy my content, I would highly appreciate a subscribe and a like to help me grow, to help me reach more people so they can see or view my entertainment and my content. So yeah, if you could do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll love y'all to bits. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe, deuces.